highlight what you actually want to say.
Not only Goa, all over India BJP failed. Everyone knows, everyone Indian citizens knows how they made a manage in this crisis pandemic, and they don't all see. India is the number 2 in the world oxygen producer, but still no one gets proper oxygen, and they export vaccination, they export injection. The block market, how many people they taken in the block market in the injection? That just 3,000 rupees injection, block 5,000, 10,000, like that they purchase. Because all the support by government, is all what happened. And most important, they should vaccinate for everyone immediately. Only one vaccine against they can fight against corona. They should do immediately.
Sir,